So you want to know what the dropshipping lifestyle in reality means, okay? And I will tell you in this video one major mistake why your dropshipping sucks. I did the same, that's why I know. And let me explain what it is, and if you will change it, if you obey my voice, and if you will change it, okay, your dropshipping will not gonna be ever the same again. So first of all, let me just explain a little bit to you why everybody 99.9% dropshippers are messing up right now in 2022 February 21. Okay, that's why you are not getting results, guys. That's why I am getting results, because no, I'm not the super smart or whatever. I have not super like suppliers, friends or relatives. No, just because I avoid this huge mistake what most of you, almost most of you, are doing the same mistake. Okay, how do I know this? Because I know, because you see, I live here and you live somewhere else. Okay, I have an assistant who works for me, and you are struggling and working yourself. So anyway, the mistake is this. No, let me say it before this. Okay, if you want to keep your dropshipping as it is, okay, that's before I come to the mistake what you're doing. If you want to keep your dropshipping as it is and hope that something will gonna change, okay, you can just switch it off right now, because it will not gonna help you anyway. So because you will gonna need to change drastically. Okay, if you want to have dramatically different results, you have to switch your dropshipping totally different way. I will tell you why, what you can do and how you can do in this video. Okay, in this video, after this video, you can do this and your sales are gonna go up. Okay, so, and okay, mistake. Here's the mistake. Okay, mistake is very simple. You guys are following the stupid advice what everybody else out there is telling you to do, which is list as much as possible, list as many as possible, and hope that something will gonna sell. Okay, what we are doing, okay, that's me, kind of like my company with the two buddies and assistant. Okay, what we are doing is we are listing 25 products and sell them over and over again. Okay, cool. Now look, what's the difference is, maybe not for the human brain so much difference, okay, but for the people it means nothing, except let me just go. No, beach style dropshipping. No, what the heck, beach style. It's only much more better than beach style dropshipping. I got much better than beach style. Beach is 1 minute from me here. Okay, 1 minute beach here. Oh, so what? My phone flipped down. It's good that not in the water. Okay, so what we do is, or what you have to do is, you have to, I don't know how you can do this, because if you have 500 or 1,000 and 3,000 items you are listing, what you do, you are messing up with the algorithm, because you push and nothing is selling really. You are messing up with the algorithm. What we do is we just list few items and sell. Okay, just make a wild guess for who algorithm will gonna be more beneficial. For who, for you with the 3,000 items, or for us with the 25 items, algorithm will show which one of us algorithm will show to the more public. You that's selling randomly, or us that sells every day, again and again and again and again, and that's how we make known to algorithm what is hot selling product, because we sell again and again and again and again. How you can do this? below this video is the system how you can do this. Okay, there is a link, you can join and do this. But whatever, if you don't like to do this, this is just totally up to you. Up to you. Okay, now look. Okay, you are wondering, this is not gonna be the last video. This is actually one of the 21-day challenge what I made decision I was gonna do. 21-day challenge for you, just because some of you are thinking, well, oh, he's somewhere in Africa on a weekend vacation. No, guys, no. I used to live all the time as I used to live in Canada, okay? But in the winter times, I'm coming here, okay? This is my residency here, okay? My residency is just over there. Can you see it? Over there. What's the weird? No. Right, yeah, right there, okay? So that's my condo. I got the condo here in Panama, and that's where I'm spending my winter time. Why would I need to spend the time in Canada? It's too cold there, and more than that, it's so stupid people over there right now. So anyway, if you do your dropshipping properly, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so below this video, put the questions what you got. I told you every day we're gonna be here on this. I don't know what time, because it doesn't matter what time. Whatever I think about, I will come. Maybe sometimes I will gonna come live. Will answer your questions. Put the questions below. Don't put those stupid questions. My account is suspended. What shall I do? Nothing. Okay. You can do anything unless you want to. But you don't know how to do this, because if you were gonna Google it, how to open new eBay account, or on a YouTube, you will come across the same stupid system that doesn't work, or just what is very popular right now out there. Somebody guru on Instagram, magician on Instagram. You know those spams. You can check under my videos. There is a lot of spammy who. Those idiots, those stupid idiots, let them spam. I don't care about that. Okay, they work for me. They work for me because they think that they will drive traffic to themselves. Let there be, because stupid people go to stupid people. Okay. Anyway, let me leave you with this. If you want sales, you do manual dropshipping. If you're really concerned about how to turn your dropshipping from non-profitable, struggling dropshipping into the dropshipping that brings you the money, and you could live your life next February 21 in 2023, wherever you want to live, okay? Maybe that's, I don't know, you don't need to come to Panama. You can go and buy some in China, maybe. I don't know. But I'm kind of like enjoying my swimming pool here, and you don't have to be really rich in Panama, okay? Because what I paid here for this condo is just about 4 or 5 months of dropshipping. That's it, and I got 3-bedroom condo here, okay, with the swimming pool, with the beach. Beach is from my apartment, from my condo. Beach is just 2 minutes walking. Yeah, 2 minutes walking. I will walk you down there to the beach as well. Okay, you got it? Manual dropshipping only. 20-25 products, sell them again and again and again and again. And don't miss up with the algorithm, because your thousands of listings are giving wrong signal to the eBay's algorithm. That's it, baby, for today. Questions below the video, link below the video. Peace, see you tomorrow.